Toy Bros.
Go.
Toy Bros TV. Today we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Whoa. Oh, that's too close to the screen. Okay, so we're sharing our collection.
Mikey.
A mashup.
Why is there a monkey sign over there?
Okay, so share theirs. These we have, yes, we have Ralph and Donnie.
Donnie's party.
Ew. Donnie. That's too gross. Let's see. Share these.
No,
We got all four of the banks.
We didn't.
Ooh, that one has money in it.
I mean, which one? Leonardo?
I don't know. I heard money going around.
I think it's Leonardo.
So show them how their arms move.
Yeah, the arms.
Oh, what happened to his money? Oh, they're in his hand. I see. Oh, I thought someone was hanging down for his hand. Show them how the money goes in and how you get the money out.
Donnie.
Yeah, show them that one. Show them that one. Yeah. So show them this one. That one's a cool one.
We have some mashups.
This one he
We
made.
have some mashups.
Ooh, yeah, all the mashups. Those came in surprise packs.
Uh-huh.
Then we got.
Click.
Ooh, does he stand? You keep hitting the camera. Watch it.
Click up to see our next video.
When we open them mashups. It was showing this one that you did. You colored that one in.
Hey, where's
Yes. It was white and he colored it all in.
mine?
And show these squirters. We got all four. These are cool. And so you fill it with water and then you squirt people with it. And we have all four of the ones that are like
We have some
Donnie there.
We have some
So they're all
Ninja Turtle
movable.
spinners.
And then you move their legs.
We have some
And their shells open. See? Oh, that's where his weapons go. That's right. Oh, the spinners. Yeah. Spin.
Hey, Mama. Is there a Dr. Pepper one?
Does he go? Oh, yeah. Pizza time.
We're lean, mean, and green.
Mean and green. Here's a little, this little communicator thing.
Murakami-san, that was awesome.
I got one too.
Follow my lead. I do. Hey-ya!
That's Raphael.
This is gonna be epic.
What we got in here? Oh, you have some of the movies too. Got all the Ninja Turtle movies. Oh, what happened to his head? Oh, this one's cool. This is the one that changes from a Ninja Turtle into a pet turtle. So see his head's in there. How do you do it? I forgot. How do you get his head to change?
Hey, I want to show you guys something.
Let me see. Show him, Toy. Whoa! Shredder.
I don't show you. They knocked down Shredder.
Oh!
You know what I saw? You know what I pulled out? I pulled out a foot soldier mask.
Oh, here. Now I got it. You had to pull the shell back, and then you pop out the head. Now it's not the toy anymore, and it's Mikey, and then you snap the shell back.
Hey, I'll just show you guys something weird.
And we have all those too.
I'll just show you
the
guys
pet
something
turtles.
weird.
Show them something weird.
That
That is not a Ninja Turtle. Why is that in there? Oh, here's another one.
That just popped up.
Well, this is also Mikey, but it's the same. So there is the turtle head. Well, let's snap the shell back on. Snap the shell on. So there's the turtle head, and then there's the Mikey head. Oh, look, show them the car. You're holding it too close. They can't see each other. Does this one make sound? You have some of the cars
I
that
have
make sound.
some mashups.
No, that one.
I have some mashups.
No mash on. Oh, here's the crane. Ooh, nasty crane.
Nasty.
There's some more of the
It kind
spinners.
of runs. Nasty crane. Nasty crane.
Oh, this
Nasty
one's cool.
crane. Nasty Mikey.
You did. Oh, here's one that does make sound. The Ninja Turtle. Oh, mash 'em, mash 'em. Now this is missing wheels. What happened to the wheels? Well, it still rolls. Maybe it's not missing wheels. Here's one. Here's another car. Does it talk? Yeah.
It's Mikey.
Oh, look at Mikey's face. Oh my gosh, he's so
I'll
scared.
just show you. Put the camera facing towards me. So me.
That's it.
It's kind of like a cat video face. So me. Ah! You're done. It's kind of like a cat video face.
It is.
Because on YouTube I actually saw a cat face that looked like that.
There's more little tiny stuff down here. More cars. That one makes sound. That one does not make sound. That one's cool. Another Mikey.
I'll just show you.
Ooh, look at that little tiny one. I don't remember.
You want to see my face now? Now do you want to see my face? Do you want to see my face?
Yeah.
Look at
Ooh.
my face.
Leonardo.
My face is Leonardo.
Your face is Leonardo. And we got, ooh, what happened to the top of his head? Oh my goodness. Here's another car.
I want to show you
It
something.
doesn't make sound.
I'm going to show you guys something kind of
something.
stupid.
Ooh, here's one of the, look at this. This was some kind of surprise pack we got. That's not a Ninja Turtle. Look at this guy. He's got a wheel. What does he do?
I'll show you.
Okay.
I think the
Look, a
push
blower.
I
Whoa!
think the push will pull like that.
Pull it.
He's supposed to run somehow.
Yeah, somehow he's supposed to go. What do we do? Oh, there he goes. I think maybe you have to pull him back. Well, he's not going very fast, but he's still going. What else we got? Show him this one. Oh, yeah.
Towel.
Yeah. What about these Transformer ones? They're cool. They're like this.
No. Tons of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Well, how do we get him to transform? Oh, I almost got your finger. Toy Tot, you're good at these.
Okay.
You do it.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you something funny about Ralph. I'll just show you something funny about Ralph.
Oh, here's another one of those things that rolls. Let me see. Oh, that thing. I don't know how to show that because
I
I'm
want
not
to
far enough
show you
back.
something.
Well, show them what it is. Whoa!
Ralph can go flying.
Yeah, it's a little thing that he flies, but I don't know how to show it because it goes up high fast. There's Leonardo as a police officer. That's cool. Oh, uh-oh, somebody lost their head.
Birds. There's an angry bird.
Angry bird in there?
Uh-huh.
I see a minion in there, too.
A minion?
A minion. There. Why do the two turtles keep losing their head? But it's old birth. Oh, mash them.
I'll just show you
That's one of the
something.
key rings.
I'll just show you something I can
There's
do.
another one.
I'll just show you what I can do with
Alright.
this mushroom. It's very weird.
Whoa!
I can fling it.
Fling it. Oh, here's another little car. That one's cool. That one's cool.
That's a bucket full.
Yes, we have a bucket full. So what are we going to do? We're going to go through our bucket and find some toys that we could donate to other kids. We don't need this many Ninja Turtles.
No, I love Ninja Turtles.
You do love Ninja Turtles, that's true. You like those?
Yeah.
I like those. Here's some other key rings. Here's a
My
Mikey one.
favorites are the
And
Mashems.
here's some of the little ones. These
My
little ones are so cute.
favorites are the Mashems.
The Mashems. Where did this little guy come from? He's so tiny.
Oh yeah, do you remember the book? Do you remember
Another
the
key ring.
Do you remember the Ninja Turtle book that came with the figures?
Yes, I do remember now. Yes, that was one of those figures. And here's another car.
And they have the Shredder Mashem.
Shredder Mashem.
There's two Shredders.
What else do we have in here?
There's two
Ninja
Shredders.
Turtle sunglasses. These are super cool.
I should have. I have my Mikey back.
All right, is there anything else we have to show?
Oh yes, there is.
What?
There
Oh,
is
these are cool.
something you have to show.
Okay.
You real back.
Lean in.
No, show me.
Okay.
I want to show you guys something fun. Bye, Mikey.
Oh,
Donnie's
5
gonna be-
Mikeys.
Look at Donnie.
Oh, here's this game too.
Look at Donnie.
We got this pop game.
Show it into Donnie's face.
I see. He's wearing the sunglasses. That is cool. All right. So we already know his favorite is the Mash'ems. What about yours, Toy Tot?
My favorite is Master 2.
Mash'ems too?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we just love the Ninja Turtles, so.
Bye. Special.
Oh. Bye. Thanks for
He's
watching.
shaking her butt.
You just love the Mash'ems. Mashing the Mash'ems.
Mash off the faces.
Please subscribe and watch our next video.
Bye.